Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix that issue. Fix issue is that you're facing that problem. Your server cannot verify identity, and many same like that issues. Use same issues in your iPhone, maybe iPad, according to and also related to the server identity issues. So how you can resolve that? Simply just go back let us go to the setting of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. And just simply just have to just scroll it down and just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go back and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that settings, you just have to make sure that you just have a issue with your content privacy restrictions or not. Simply just go to the screen time and just go to the content and privacy restrictions and have to make sure that it's turn it on. And if problem not gonna solve, then try it, turn it off, and then again try it. If it's problem gonna solve, then maybe you have to just turn it off of content and privacy restrictions. After that, simply just go back and again back and simply just go to the Apple account and just try to sign out your Apple account and again sign in, and maybe your problem gonna solve after that settings. And you also make sure that after sign out your Apple ID, you just have to turn off your iPhone, just pressing the power button and volume up button and just power off your iPhone and again on it, and again sign in your Apple ID account and just try to again, and you cannot get any problem. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.